Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson 3.2 Seven Sisters, where we came to know about Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, that is Meghalaya, and Manipur. Through this video, we will come to know about the next state, that is Mizoram, and the another one Nagaland. So let's begin with Mizoram first. Hello, I am Mizoram. Mizoram implies land of the hill people, land of the hill people, referred to as the cookies. It is also called as the cookies. I invite you to see my land of lush hills, sheer cliffs, serene lakes and waterfalls. So these are the specialities about Mizoram state. They are given. What are those? Lush hills, sheer cliffs and serene lakes. Serene stands for what we say, calm. Rolling hills, further it's about landforms. Rolling hills stretch across hundreds of miles, and the plains and valleys are covered with lush forests, thick bamboo groves, green paddy fields, vineyards, teeming with diverse wildlife. These are some more specialities or characteristics of the states of Mizoram. My regret is that not many of you come to visit me. Many people do not go to visit Mizoram. What is the reason? Well, traveling in Mizoram is a little difficult, but it has its own rewards. So as the traveling is difficult, people mostly do not go to visit Mizoram. The natural beauty here is exquisite and must be seen to be believed. Exquisite, it is simply extreme. The beauty, natural beauty is extreme. Naturally, the state is very much beautiful and must be seen to be believed. And if we want to believe it, we must go and watch it ourselves, see it ourselves. My capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. And from its scenic location you can get a captivating view of captivating view of lush emerald, Twang River Valley in the west and Turiel River Valley in the east. So here these are the two rivers along with their valleys. We come to know they are rich, very rich. The museum is in the museum in the heart of city. The name of the museum is Zarkawat. Portrays the culture of Mizoram with a splendid collection of costumes, artifacts and historical relics. So these are the things specially kept in the museum and they show the culture of Mizoram. Here artifacts means objects or things made by person, human being, and relics means something that is from past, historical. Further, the Palak Lake is the biggest lake in Mizoram. It covers 30 hectares, that is 74 acres of land. Do you know that it is believed that the lake was created as a result of an earthquake or a flood? So people talk about this, the lake, Palak Lake, which is created by the earthquake or the flood. Further, Champai with its fertile vineyards is known as the fruit bowl of Mizoram. Champai, the area of Champai is considered as the fruit bowl of Mizoram. I am also host to numerous species of birds, wildlife and flora plants. You can visit the two national parks and six wildlife sanctuaries here. And one more important, Mizo is the official language and the most widely used language, Mizo, language of Mizoram. So this is all about the state of Mizoram. Here we have the next state, that is Nagaland. Hello, I am Nagaland, one of the smallest states of India, called the Switzerland of the East. The state of Nagaland is also called as the Switzerland of the East. Here we have a land of folklore passed down through the generations, with music as an integral part of life. Integral, essential. Further, the exquisitely picturesque landscape, the vibrantly colorful sunrise and sunset, lush and verdant flora make my land unimaginably beautiful. Verdant means simply fresh and green. So this is all about speciality of the nature over there. What is further? The state capital is Kohima. The state is mostly mountainous. Mount Saramati is the highest peak with a height of about 3,840 meters, and its range forms a natural barrier between Nagaland and Burma. So due to the range, due to the line of this mountain, simply there is it is working as a border between Nagaland and Burma. Mount Saramati, its height is 3,840 meters. There are over 16 tribes and subtribes that inhabit my exotic hill state, each with its own unique, colorful and intricately designed costume. Intricately, it is simply what we say, delicately. Jewelry and beads that adorn them. So what is speciality? The people or the tribes living there, they have their own unique and colorful, intricately designed costumes. The costumes have jewelry, beads, etc. to adorn them. Further, today many of my young people have ventured into fashion designing. They are taking part in fashion designing, creating fabrics, that blend our traditional motifs designs with modern appeal. So much I have become a paradise for those who are into fashion designing. People refer to me as a affluent fashion station of the East. It is simply important place in the field of fashion. My land is an ideal place for trekking, rock climbing, jungle camping, and other limitless exploration possibilities in its lush and verdant subtropical rainforest. So where we can enjoy trekking, rock climbing, jungle camping, etc. Further, here we have an abundance of medical herbs too. Medicinal plants are also seen are available in the state of Nagaland. Further, I am known as the falcon capital of the world. The great Indian hornbill is one of the most famous birds found here, the bird hornbill. Further, Nagas by nature are lovers of fun and frolic here, and here life is one long festival. Dance and songs are a part of Dance and songs are a part and parcel of all our festivities. So simply people enjoy in this way in Nagaland. What is further, most of our dances are performed with robust, lively. If you love a colorful life and appreciate ethnic costumes and traditions with their unique songs, dances, and festivals, you must come to our Naga Heritage Village. Naga Heritage Village, which showcases our cultural heritage. Do come and participate in our Great Hornbill Festival, as the bird hornbill is found over there in more number. The festival Great Hornbill is also celebrated there. So this is all about the state of Nagaland. So in this way we covered information about 6 states. Now the last one is remaining, Tripura. You will come to know about it through the next video.